Alright, first of all, that ain't no damn mosquito. Okay, I've seen mosquitoes, and that ain't one. That's like some kind of freaking gigantic prehistoric dinosaur creature. Okay, because that's huge. That's huge, and I don't blame him one bit for killing that thing because he wasn't killing some little harmless insect. That was a gigantic monster, and it was either him or the mosquito. and uh, and if it was me, I probably would have ran into the closet with a friggin' 12th grade shotgun and shot anything that got near me, because that's scary, okay? And if that thing takes a bite out of you, there ain't gonna be much left, okay? That thing will drain you dry till you're like some kind of mummy. Oh, I mean that's craziness, okay? And I don't know where that guy lives, but I sure as hell ain't ever going there. If they got some crazy huge mosquitoes like that, damn people, wow. It's like you need to contact the government, get some like serious professional help out there. That's like it's like warfare going on if you got a bunch of things like that. Wow. Cruelty to animals, insects, no, no. That's warfare. Okay, that's the basic survival instinct kicking in right there. That's all he was doing. He was protecting himself because that thing is ridiculous. And that's all I gotta say about that. Freaking crazy, ridiculous prehistoric monsters trying to eat us out there. Damn, that needs to go on like Discovery Channel because that's like some kind of new find we got going on here. Wow. I'm gonna start arming myself with lasers. We got things that big trying to suck our blood.